Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to share a story link on Instagram. Whether you want to share your own story or someone else's, this updated method will help you do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your feed. Now, let's move on to the next step. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your story. If you're looking to share someone else's story, just navigate to their profile and tap on their profile picture to view it. Now that you're viewing the story you want to share, look for the Send To icon. This icon typically looks like an arrow pointing to the right and is located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this icon to proceed. After tapping Send To, you'll see several options pop up. Here, you'll want to look for the Copy Link option. This is usually found at the bottom of the list. Click on Copy Link, and voila, you've successfully copied the link to the story. Now that you have the link copied, it's time to share it wherever you want. You can paste it into a direct message on Instagram, send it via other social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter, or even share it through messaging apps like WhatsApp or Messenger. Simply go to the app where you want to share the link, tap, and hold in the text box, and select Paste. Your followers will now have easy access to that story. And there you have it. Sharing a story link on Instagram is a breeze with these simple steps. Whether you're sharing your own content or spreading the word about someone else's amazing story, this feature makes it easy to keep everyone in the loop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your social media experience. Happy sharing!